Okay, here, so today is video 2, I guess. Hold up, got some big trucks passing by. Let me shut this for a second. Okay, so today I came to the car wash because I'm going to vacuum out my entire 2016 Nissan NV 2500. I'm basically going to get all of the dirt out of there, as much dirt as I possibly can get out. I just came to the local gas station, to the local car wash. That was the closest to the apartment complex that we're staying at right now. And I mean, it's freaking gorgeous today. It's beautiful. So it's like perfect in Florida. It's about 70 right now. And yeah, so we're gonna start this in a second here. But yeah, after this, I'm gonna go to probably get something to eat, and then I'm gonna go and finish the job at this different car wash where you can actually, they have like a power wash, and you can, I'm gonna actually scrub and clean the inside once I get all the dirt and stuff out. Basically, this is all for the subfloor, to make sure that we have a very clean and good foundation to start the subfloor. Okay. So you can see all this dirt right here. Try and get all this out of there. All this dirt here, and a lot of it is because, well, this is actually just straight up dirt, but a lot of it is sand from living in Florida and going to the beach literally every day, all the time. But all this. And then these, we're gonna get these out of here once I get all this dirt out. Okay, I'm pretty sure we got most of the dirt, just the loose dirt, out of here. Now we're gonna go to power wash the inside and really scrub and clean the bottom of the floor and make sure it's as clean as it can be for this subfloor. Okay, so now I'm here at the power wash, and I am basically gonna power wash the entire bottom of this floor and clean this as best as I can. Big difference. I just got done power washing and drying it as best as I could. But here you go. Here is what it looks like now. Got all that dirt off around here. Pretty clean. angle 2. Sure, that's all I'm going to be doing for today. I just wanted to get it nice and clean. Today was the washing day, and then tomorrow hopefully I can put the rust paint down, and yeah, I'll see you next video.